Hi, this is Jeff from CraftOptics, and I want to talk to you today a little bit about how we install the lenses in the frames of your CraftOptics and what the options are. So a lot of people don't realize that the magnifiers don't block your entire vision. They actually are sitting at the bottom of your glasses so you can see above the magnifiers and look around, the room. But a lot depends on what we install in the frame. So typically it's very straightforward. Normally people who wear progressive lenses or bifocals install we install their distance correction in the upper part, near correction in the bottom part, like this. So I don't know if you can see the bifocal there, okay? So that means when I flip the magnifiers up, I can still look down and see near and see just, razor sharp. It's a nice big near correction, unlike what you're used to with a progressive lens. And the magnifiers drop down and enhance what you already have. The big question then is, what do we have installed in the upper part? So normally, most people have their distance correction installed up here. So for example, while they're working, you watch TV and see across the room. However, there are a couple of other options to consider. And I don't want to confuse things, but there are some people who work different ways. And one of them is, a good example is bench jewelers. So a lot of bench jewelers are working on an elevated surface, and they have, let's say they just wear readers, or they have a near correction in their prescription. We install their near correction in the entire frame. Not everybody, but I'll show you the situation. So for example, they're working, their bench is here, the object they're working on is here, and their tools are very close by. They're not watching TV. They don't have any need to look around the room. What they need to do is just see their tools properly at a close distance. So what we do is we install their near correction in the entire frame. That means I can see here, if my tool is out here, I can see it. I can't see across the room. I can't see the TV. So the entire near correction, the near correction's installed in the entire frame. Okay. That's one option. The other that's become a little more common in the last year and a half as people have been home more is that they're taking classes online and they're working on some project and they want to see their computer monitor or their computer screen while they're doing their work. So what they're doing is, or they're taking a class, for example, online. So they're doing some work here and they want to look up through here and just see arm's length, see about the length where their computer screen is, okay? In that case, we install the intermediate correction in the upper part. Now we do, we take care of that for you. There's nothing that you have to do if you wear a prescription as far as telling us what the prescription ought to be. We'll take care of that. We just need to know what you want to see. So if you say to us, hey, I am doing needlework and I want to look at my computer screen while I work, that's what I primarily do, then we know to install your intermediate correction in the upper part. So most people stick with what they're used to. If they wear their bifocals while they're working, if they wear their progressive lenses while they work, that's what we install in the frame. Okay. If you do wear if you wear progressive lenses, we install that as a bifocal with your near up here and your distance, near down here and your distance up here. And the reason is we want that near correction. I don't know if you can see that. It's a nice big area. And we do that on purpose because when you flip these magnifiers up, you want to be able to see without having to struggle to find that sweet spot. So those are some of the options we have. If you have any questions about how we install your prescription in, or if you just aren't sure what to do, give us a call. Now you know. Take care. Bye-bye.